starting to see the tropical activity in the Atlantic ramp up. You should have a plan in place. Every year, millions of people rely on portable generators when they lose access to power.
But there are some do's and don'ts that you want to be aware of. Skip Bedell, who is a home improvement contractor, joins us right now to discuss generators and how they can be a lifeline. But we also want to make sure that that you are safe. So, Skip, good to see you here this morning over in Middle Island, New York. By the way, is it raining there yet?
That's right. It is. It's pouring. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in my rain gear, and yeah, we're out in some wet weather. So, hey guys, thanks for having me this morning. And it is exciting to talk about this stuff to get people prepared. You know, it's really important that you're prepared with these things before the storm hits, because once that does, you're going to have a hard time finding things like generators and survival supplies. So, talking about generators, so important to keep the power on for so many different reasons. Your refrigerator with your food, all your electrical appliances you need to cook, medical devices, your phone, television to get alerts from weather and news. So it's very important to keep the power running. So many people run their generator close to their home because they don't want to keep it out in the rain. We all know electricity and water do not mix. Sometimes they'll put it in their garage and keep the door open so they can keep it dry. Not a good idea, but this, however, is a genius idea. I love this. This is called the Gen Tent. So this is available for up to 3,000 different models on the gentent.com. It fits many different generators, but as you can see, it clips onto your generator very easily in just a few minutes, and it gives you complete protection from the rain, the snow, up to 70-mile-an-hour winds. So it keeps your generator dry in even the worst of weather. So this is a great idea. And they even thought of this flap you can open up to put the gas in it. It's just genius. I wish I would have thought of this. So check that out at gentent.com. This is going to keep you safe and safe from the carbon monoxide fumes that come from these generators. Very important that you run it far away from your home.
Curious, how much would something like that cost?
You can find the prices on the website. They do vary depending upon the generator that you have, but I think they're under a couple $100, so they're actually very affordable. And it's the difference between life and death. It's really important to have something like that because it allows you to run your generator far away from your home, so you're not getting those fumes. And speaking of generators, I'm going to show you guys some alternative types of power. I really like these things. So this is for Patriots. I love this group. They are the top company making survival products. They have everything from survival food to solar powered flashlights and lanterns, all powered up by the sun. But this is my favorite. This is the Patriot Power 1800. This is a solar powered generator. Now you can plug it in to charge it up at home, but what this will do with its AC, DC ports, and also USB ports, this allows you to bring it right inside the house. There are no fumes. There's no exhaust. This you can run safely in your home. It's completely silent, quiet, and safe to run. You can put it in your kitchen, plug your refrigerator into it, bring it into the bedroom, plug the lights into it. So you bring the power into the house where you need it. The best part is it charges up free by the power of the sun with solar powers. So this is just a genius idea from 4 Patriots. And again, they do have all these other great things for survival. When the storm hits, you want to make sure you have things like survival food, the 72-hour survival kit, things like flashlights, even emergency food bars. So Patriot Power, great. And lastly, guys, this is another alternative means of power. This is the Nexus Portable Power Station by Ego. Now, you might have seen me talk about Ego outdoor power equipment like leaf blowers and lawn mowers and things like that. They're available at Lowe's. But what's great about this, also silent, no exhaust fumes. You can run it right in your home, inside your camper, even inside your car. It runs on the power of batteries. So these are the same rechargeable batteries that you put on your lawnmower and on all your outdoor power equipment. So it has 4 ports for the batteries. You plug this in at home. You leave it plugged in your garage, and you charge these batteries up. So it's cool because it acts as a 4-battery charger for all your other tools. But at the same time, it has 3,000 peak watts of power. That means you can run your refrigerator, your lights, keep your phone charged up with the USB ports. It's really a fantastic device. And again, you can use this inside or outside.
Definitely some great stuff. We need to make sure that we are always preparing for hurricane season. And we definitely have some great options here. And even the winter season, not too far away, we get these big winter storms, of course, in the Northeast. And we need these things to help us out a bit. Thanks, Skip, for all this information.